Welcome to science class. In this video I am going to explain about resin code of plastic in the chapter polymer chemistry. Plastics are very useful in our daily life but sometimes contain dangerous chemicals. We can tell these plastics apart by searching for a resin code. The resin code or a universal way of categorizing different types of plastics, which helps us to separate plastics so that is easier to recycle them. How can we identify the resin code? Where can we find the resin code on a plastic item? Look at the chasing arrow triangle shaped symbol on the bottom of the plastic bottle, on the brand label sticker or on the lid of a container. What number is marked in the center of the triangle? What letters, that is acronym, are below this? This is what we call a resin code. If the number is 1 within the chasing triangle and or has the acronym PET or PETE, then it is a type of plastic which is called PET. Now that we have found out that the bottle has a specific resin code, let us see what gives the bottle and other plastic products certain qualities. Different chemicals are added to plastic give them various qualities and characteristics. For example, flexibility, strength, softness or transparency. There are some chemicals that are used in plastics that are dangerous for our health, animals and the environment. For example, polyvinyl chloride. PVC resin code 3 has heavy metals such as cadmium and lead, which are harmful to our health. Polystyrene PS resin code 6 has styrene, which is a toxic chemical known cause cancer. Plastic resin code chart. Plastic resin code 1 PET polyethylene terephthalate. Recycle code number 1 umbrella, sports clothing, warm fleece jackets, sweaters, robe, sails, polyester fiber made into sleeping bags. This plastic is designed to be used only once. Reusing PET plastic can release a chemical called antimony, which is not good for our health. Polyester is most widely used synthetic fiber for clothes. Plastic resin code 2 high density polyethylene. Cement, rice, cow food sacks, woven tiffin bags, rope, fishing nets, shade nets, structures, fiber reinforced concrete, bulletproof material vest. About this plastic, considered one of the safer plastic. It is light, very strong and has excellent impact strength. It is an effective moisture barrier. It is widely recycled. Plastic resin coat 3, polyvinyl chloride. PVC fibers, vinyl fibers are used to make shower curtains, outdoor fabrics, raincoats, boots, fishing nets, synthetic yarns, children's clothing and blankets. Vinyl is used for stickers on clothing, dress, costumes and fake leather. This plastic is most toxic. Vinyl has good resistance to weathering and fire. Plastic resin coat 4, high density polyethylene. Heavy duty socks, artificial grass turf for football. Consider one of the safer plastics. It is very flexible and soft but strong. Plastic resin coat 5, polypropylene. Disposable absorbent articles, diaper, wet wipes for cleaning, ropes, carpets, clothing for filtration, battery separators and geotextiles. Polypropylene microfibers are added to concrete to stabilize the mix. This plastic is considered one of the safer plastic. Non-woven polypropylene fabrics are made so that they can be used in disposable products that we usually throw away after one use. Plastic resin coat 6, polystyrene. Pens, rulers, throw away tea and juice cups, plates, cutlery and toys. One of the unsafe plastics as it has toxic chemicals. Most polystyrene in the world is made for one-time use, throw away food and drink packaging. Plastic resin 7, Other names of plastic resin coat 7, polycarbonate, acrylonitrile butadiene, styrene, acrylic, bioplastics, nylon, polyurethane, etc. Baby bottles and food containers are made up of polycarbonate. Helmets and car bumpers are made up of ABS. Fiber optical cables and paints are made up of acrylic. Plastic bags and tableware made up of bioplastics. Cloths, kites and toothbrush bristles are made up of nylon. Mattresses, foam and shoe soles made up of polyurethane. This code includes all plastic types that do not fit into the resin codes 1 to 6. Polycarbonate and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, shortly known as ABS, are two of the unsafe plastics and are considered toxic. When we see a resin code 7 plastic, try to know more before buying and using it. From resin code chart, to find out more about the different types of plastics. From this plastic resin code chart, resin code 2, 4 and 5 are safe plastics for us, animals and environment. The other plastic resin codes 1, 3, 6 and 7 are unsafe for us, animals and environment. Students, I hope all you have understood about plastic resin code. Thank you.